Alright, about to put some joggers on. Some mid socks tucked in. And then 3/4 by that zeroed in game. You. Hey, I'm Nick Andrade, and if you already know me, I appreciate you sticking around, watching my videos, being a small YouTuber. But those of you that don't know me, I'm from Illinois, I'm 26, and my job during the day, during the week, is personal trainer. And let me tell you, I love what I do, and I love the people that I see on a weekly basis. It's pretty cool how much my training experience has developed over the past year. So a little about me, I started personal training at Lifetime Fitness. I was there for a year, and that was my goal. My goal was to be there for a year, and I got out. And I started, my goal, I wrote in my journal. Those of you that know me, journaling is what I live by. I write down my dreams, my goals, and where I want to go in my life. So I wrote that down, and my goal was to get out of Lifetime in a year and be at a warehouse, be my own boss, start my own business, being a personal trainer. And that's exactly what happened. So I want you to know, hey, write down those goals, because those goals really are going to come to life if you firmly believe in them and you constantly write them down daily, read them daily, and you have to want it, most importantly. So let's get back. I'm remaking this video because I was talking too much in the last one, and I wanted to redo it. So I wanted you to know that. Been personal training for a total of 3 years now. Working out wise, been working out since I was 12. But being a trainer, my goal is to be your trainer online. I want to be able to give you all the perks so you can get to your goal faster. That was mine. Mine growing up, I hired a coach because I knew if I hired a coach, I'd get to that point faster. So, and you got to remember, you're investing in yourself. So if you want to get somewhere and start seeing results, hire a coach, hire someone that's more experienced than you. That's exactly what I did, and I got so much out of it this past year. From a year at Lifetime to a year where I'm at now, I am a totally different trainer, and I know that I am different than everybody else. So my background, I got my NASM certification. I got NASM because yes, it was top of the line, but also I needed a certification to get in the gym. There we go. But where I'm at now, I'm not getting any more certs in that industry, like within that. I just got to re-update my NASM, but I'm also trying to invest into seminars, into different programming on getting better at developing programs for clients. And that's exactly what I did, and that's what I love to do, is get better at programming based on your need, based on your goal. Why my business in the past year is booming and still booming, and I know that I can help you based on whatever goal you're going after. If it's weight loss, if it's muscle gain, I know I can get you there. Not just with nutrition and giving you any workout, but I give you workouts based on what's going on with your body, right? And what we got to work on, right? If there's imbalances, if there's things that need to be brought up just for make sure you don't get injured in the long run. Like there's things that we go about. I teach you how to stretch properly. Like it's so cool. Like this is the way I teach my clients. But I also want you to know that results, they're gonna happen. It's like a delayed thing, right? Rome wasn't built overnight. Your body isn't gonna be built overnight. You're not gonna have your dream body overnight. That's the one thing on social media, these big platforms, these fitness industry, these big, role models that you look up to, they don't really tell you, they don't really spill the beans on how hard they had to work to get to where they're at. right? It's about a lifestyle. It's making it a lifestyle, making it part of your life, most importantly, and enjoying it, right? When I talk to my clients, when I even take on a new client, I got to make sure it's a priority to them, because if it's not, I know they're going to waste my time, and I don't want to waste their time. So that's where I tell my client, hey, come back when you want to make this priority, because I want to take you on, I want to be able to help you. But if you're not going to allow me to do my job, then it's not worth me taking you on. So you have to remember that. Are you making fitness, are you making your health your number one priority? I believe in making your health the number one priority, obviously because I'm a trainer, but no, when you start making your health a priority, things start to open up even more. So another background story. So when I was trying to find myself back when I was 22, I just decided, all right, I'm gonna stop going out drinking, I'm gonna stop going to the bars, hanging out, going to these parties, just because, I wanted to do some soul searching. I wanted to find out what I'm about, what do I like, and who do I want to be around. And I started investing in myself. I started reading more books. I started taking some risk, and it was the best decision I've ever made. So, for example, when I started focusing on myself more, there was a time where I was like, man, I want a girlfriend. I want someone to ride this with me, be my ride or die. And I was always looking, and I stopped looking. I stopped looking for a long time, and just like I was telling you, I started focusing on myself a lot more. And that's when things started opening up for me. So I found my dream girl is because I didn't want to, I wasn't looking to find someone to make me happy. I already knew what made me happy. So finding her was just a plus. It was just because me being a believer in God, God was telling me, all right, you're ready. You know who you are. You now could accept someone else in your life, and to make sure you love them and continue to love them, right? When I did that, or when I stopped working on myself, that's when that happened. So if you're looking for a significant other, just start focusing on yourself more, because that person that's meant to be in your life, they're gonna come only when you're ready. So she's gonna be future missus one of these days. So, but anyway, getting back to training, I want to be your trainer because I know I can over deliver towards you and your goal, whatever your goal is. Like programming, right? Like if you're wanting to do weight loss, lose fat and build muscle, dude, I could throw you under like a German body composition training, like a style like that. Like there's ways we could go about it instead of just, all right, here's your diet and give me cardio, 20, 40 minutes a day. That's great, but we could do that during our weightlifting, and your cardio could be a little bit lower than that. Again, it's about being consistent. It's about seeing what works and what doesn't work, and I need you to be all in. All right, so hey, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment below what you want to see next, because it's something I'm doing differently, because this matters to me. When I'm not being a personal trainer during the week, and when I have time available, I'm doing this, and I want to be able to get better at it. And the only way I'm going to get better at it is being able to hear what you want, and the only way for me to deliver to you is you commenting, and I need that. Just being a small YouTuber, my goal is to get 1,000 subscribers going into 2021, but without your help, I'm not going to be able to get there. And I'm going to keep doing my best, keep putting out videos for you. Short and sweet. That's why I had to remake this video, because I wanted to do a little bit shorter and sweet. I didn't want it to be 20 minutes. So I'm going to cut it out. Remember, do not give up on yourself. You only get one shot, right? You only get one life, right? There's no guarantees in life. Make it count. Go all in. Give everything you got in yourself, because you deserve it. Be consistent. And most importantly, have fun doing it. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. I make mistakes on YouTube all the time, right? But I want you to know, there's you shouldn't be scared of trying. It's for you, right? I don't want you to have any regret. Regret's terrible. So, again, focus on you. Stay zeroed in on going forward. Yes, stay zeroed in. Clothing brand, we making a comeback, but because it's gonna happen. just gotta believe in yourself, and just know I'm here for you, brother or girl. No one's gonna get in your way. The only one that's gonna get in your way is yourself. So just remember that. All right, I'll see ya. Hope you enjoyed the video.